Yeah. Focus. There she is. The suspension. I'm almost done, and I've run out of steam. Is suspension plural for suspendi? I only have one spring. Well, one leaf spring. Don't pay attention to the angle of the dangles and the swirl of the curl. This is still kind of mocked up for me to get a visual. And you to go, what the hell? Now the good thing about taking this long is, man, I know what I'm doing with this back end now. Like I said, it's still going to be a truck. You're going to shit. Yes, it's still going to be a truck. But I have run out of steam tonight. So, I'm going to get some sleepy poo. And a shower. Not in that order. See ya.